I'm coming!
Are we expecting someone?
It's mail, Sammy, and it's a huge package.
Package? Seriously? What is it? What is it? Let me see.
Hold on a sec.
Shiver me cheddar, Sue. I'm about to burst with curiosity.
It's from Gran. She knows I love these sweets.
Not just you, you know.
Oh, I see. Help yourself.
Ah, and there's a letter too.
Dear Susie and Samantha, I'm sending you your Barbie dolls you left several summers ago along with your favorite treats. She also hopes that we're doing well, and she gives her regards to you, Sammy. How nice.
Hey, Grams.
Oh, there's something else. P.S. Try not to eat all the candies at once. It's bad for your teeth. You didn't eat all the candy, did you?
Who, me? No, of course not. I just tasted them all. Very yummy.
Sammy!
I'm sorry, Sue. These candies were so good that I couldn't stop.
One day I'll have to do something about it. You can't eat so much sweets.
Yeah, I get it. By the by, your Gram said something about the dolls.
That's right. Wanna see?
Aw, look at these. It's a treasure trove.
Yeah, kind of.
Are you okay, Sue? You seem upset. Did you not like the package?
I'm okay, Sammy. I liked it very much. It's just... Don't you think these clothes look a bit old?
Old? Yeah, you're right. Excuse me, miss. I think this dress went out of style a decade ago.
I agree. Oh, what should I do with them now?
Cheer up, Sue. We'll make new clothes for your dolls. They'll get the most fashionable wardrobe.
Thanks for your support, Sammy. Let's get to work then. Hey, everyone! Are you ready to see what kind of change we can offer to our beautiful models? First, we need the right fabric. Which one to choose?
Susie!
Oh, you scared me.
I just wanted to say that last time you made really cool outfits from balloons.
Huh? Do you really think so?
Of course. Friends, do you remember that? Once, Sue made balloon outfits for her own fashion show. Wasn't it amazing?
Well, I think we can use balloons again. Thanks for the tip, Sammy!
Always at your service.
For the first outfit, I need one large balloon, one small balloon, and scissors. I'll just cut off the tip of the large balloon like this and we'll get a top for the dress. Now I'll chop off the bottom like this. And voila! The first dress is almost ready!
You always make it seem so easy.
Thank you, Sammy. And now, let's add some style to this outfit. Friends, remember to be very careful with scissors. And don't be shy to ask an adult for help.
Hey, why did you cut out that triangle? It was already pretty.
Oh, Sammy, you don't understand. One-shoulder tops are really trendy now.
I don't see any difference.
Well, I do. The rest of the balloon will make a great ruffle.
Okay, if that's absolutely necessary.
The details, Sammy? The fashion is all about the details. That's what my professors say.
I think I get it now, Susie.
You're a great student, Sammy. Maybe you can tell me what's missing here.
How about a belt?
Great idea. We'll make the belt from a different balloon. Now, here we go. Looks pretty good to me.
It really does. But you know what I see? This look lacks accessories.
Hey, you're right. I have something perfect for that. Now look closely. I'm cutting off a tiny piece of the balloon. And then I'll pull it through the ring and tie it up.
It's microscopic.
Uh-huh. Well, we just need to pick the right shoes and the outfit's ready.
How about this pair?
Wow, Sammy. It seems to me that you have a nice taste, mister. These shoes go great with her new look.
Happy to hear it.
All right, it's time for the next dress up. I'll start the same exact way as I did the last time. The balloon top goes away. Now, one more cut at an angle like this. And we get a nice top. Let's try it on. Amazing! Next, we'll make a skirt of another shade of green, cutting it off.
Susie, Susie, let's use this heart-shaped pink balloon?
No, Sam. We'll need this balloon for the next outfit. Well, look how the skirt turned out.
So where do you dress like this?
I think it'll be great for both formal and casual occasions.
Then tonight we'll have a super party. Hey, lady, would you dance with the best dancer in town?
Wait, Sammy! Cinderella here almost forgot her shoes. Now we're talking. Isn't she beautiful?
This outfit really came out great!
Let's try something new.
Yay!
I'll make an extremely fashionable top for the next cute Barbie gal. Alrighty, we need to make 3 more holes for her head and arms. Here we go. Almost ready. Dolls have 2 hands, but I know the trick to make 2 sleeves and 1 cut. All done. It's time to get dressed.
Sue, how can I help?
Maybe you could pick something for the next craft.
That I can do?
I had no doubt. Ow, I always wanted to have a vintage blouse like this.
What's this balloon for?
A skirt!
The color's perfect.
Yeah, it makes a great pairing with the top. Sam, maybe you could also pick the accessories?
No problemo. I'm on it. Let's see. No. Definitely no. Ugh. That's more like it. Here they are.
Why 2?
I couldn't decide which pair would fit better, so I got them both.
Can you really wear them like this?
You can do whatever you want if your stylist is Slick Slime Sam.
I like the way you think, but I'm afraid the model will be uncomfortable in different shoes.
As usual, great artists are underappreciated.
Oh, don't say that, Sammy. So friends, we're down to our last Barbie. Let's make her dress less formal.
Finally.
Perhaps something casual for every day that is comfortable and pretty, too. Wait, what?
What? I like it when it's comfortable. Not that I don't like those fancy dresses you made, though.
We made, Sammy. Your help was very valuable. Now, just like the last time, I need to make the armholes. Actually, you're right, Sam. Formal gowns can be pretty uncomfortable.
I don't even know how you girls wear all these heels and narrow dresses.
It's not that hard, and we don't have to do it very often. Just a skirt left. We're at the finish line here, folks.
I can't believe it.
I think this skirt should have a front slit, so the doll can move comfortably.
Yes. Move, run, jump, dance, play ball. Yay!
Oh, Sammy. All right, let's try it on. Would you care to find more comfortable shoes for this look?
With pleasure.
And I'll make a belt for this cheery outfit. All done.
I think these look good.
Oh wow, they suit perfectly. I just love it.
Wait, ladies, you forgot your accessories.
You're so thoughtful. Thanks.
You know me, Sue, no biggie.
Okay, just a few final touches. Here you go. Aww. I love these earrings. It seems we did a great job today, Sammy. What do you say?
I'd say now everybody looks stylish. Hey friends, do you like the new or the old outfits the best?
Give a like for the new ones and subscribe for the old ones.
And don't forget to hit the bell button so you don't miss our new design ideas. Bye for now.
See you soon, everyone.